Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and I'm here today with another load of corn shucks, getting ready to start decorating my porch for fall. If you love budget-friendly DIY projects, then you're in the right place, and you definitely want to subscribe to my channel so that you can get all of my latest DIY projects. Today we're going to be working on a fall garland with corn stalks, and I've got a little twist to it. We're actually going to be putting this garland on my porch swing. It would be perfect for over a front door, over a window, anywhere that you would like to have a garland for your fall decorating. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you want to get your supplies laid out, and these are the corn stalks that I'm going to be using for the garland. In addition to that, I've already pulled away some of the husk from the stalks that I'm going to be using to fill in the middle. I have a grapevine that I'm going to use as my base. You could use a rope or some wire. I'm using zip ties and some jute twine to attach everything to the grapevine. I apologize because it's a little hard to see everything here. However, what I've done is I've taken two of the corn stalks and I've laid them end to end. Then I have laid another couple of corn stalks over the top of this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a zip tie to attach all of this to the grapevine just to hold it steady. The grapevine does not have to be as long as your garland because it's just going to kind of give you a base to hold everything in place. Now I'm using the corn husk and I'm making two separate bundles with that, and I'm just taking some floral tape here and wrapping it around just to hold them in place until I can get them on the grapevine and attached. The bundles will be filling in at the center of the garland to make it fuller at the very center. Just attach the two pieces of bundled husk right at the very center of your garland, and I just use some twine to tie these on. It's just a little easier than the zip ties for this portion of it. Once they're tied on tightly, then we're going to be ready to kind of hide our twine and zip ties. Finally, just using a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to attach a few extra husks here, just holding them in place. It takes a little while for it to dry, so you want to really hold them there. I don't use a lot of hot glue because they're so fragile. You only need a couple pieces hot glued over where you put the bundles. Now you're ready to hang your garland, and I'm just using some S-hooks to hang it onto the chain of the porch swing.